In the ever-evolving landscape of cloud technology, one platform stands out for its agility and power: Google Cloud Platform. Today, we embark on a journey deep into the heart of this platform, exploring the versatility and efficiency of GCP cloud functions. As we begin, it's essential to grasp the significance of GCP cloud functions. Picture it as your toolkit for building and deploying small, single-purpose functions that effortlessly scale based on demand. Let's delve into the tricks of the trade: deploying and managing functions. Deployment is a seamless process in GCP. With just a few commands or clicks, your code is live and ready to respond. Mastering the art of function triggering in GCP. The true power of GCP cloud functions lies in mastering the art of function triggering. Imagine your functions responding automatically to events in your cloud infrastructure. This is the essence of scalability. Now, join us on a comprehensive guide to event-driven function execution. This architecture ensures your functions respond intelligently to events, creating a dynamic and efficient application ecosystem. Cracking the code: HTTP requests and cloud functions. Explore the intricacies of handling HTTP requests, allowing your functions to seamlessly communicate with the broader web. Navigating the complexity of dependency management. As we navigate the complexity of dependency management, think of dependencies as the branches and roots of your application. Proper management ensures your functions thrive without entanglements. Challenges in handling external libraries and functions. Challenges arise in handling external libraries within functions. Let's navigate these hurdles together, exploring strategies to maintain the integrity of your functions. Efficient deployment strategies for cloud functions. Efficient deployment strategies are the key to a streamlined development process. From canary releases to blue-green deployments, we'll unravel the best practices for deploying cloud functions with precision. Now, let's explore best practices in function management on Google Cloud. A well-managed function is a reliable function. We'll delve into monitoring, logging, and optimization techniques for effective management. Our penultimate stop: optimizing functionality. Join us in a guide to GCP Cloud Functions optimization for enhanced performance and cost-effectiveness. Dive into the metrics, analyze the data, and fine-tune your functions for optimal results. As we conclude our in-depth exploration into GCP Cloud Functions, remember, this knowledge empowers you to build scalable, responsive, and efficient applications. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and expert insights.